Hi everyone, if you or your partner snores a lot, I will definitely recommend you to check these nasal strips. Let me show you how it works, how it look like. For better sleep, for breathe, especially nighttime. A lot of strips inside. So let me use the one. Great to reduce snoring and improve sleeps. So super small and so lightweight. Will be so comfortable to use it. Just place it on your nose. Wow, it's immediately opened my nasals. I can breathe right now, especially great for people who has an allergy and allergy season, like springtime, fall time. Perfect. It works very well. I don't even feel it. Super comfortable. Must have for nighttime especially. So guys, I will send these nasal strips for review and I will definitely recommend to buy it. Works very well, great quality, so easy to use. It's super lightweight and so comfortable and so easy to take care of. Perfect. You can always buy them on Amazon.